Hello, my name is Sonia Martinez, and I'm here to discuss the leadership intern activity related to legal issues. As part of this leadership activity related to legal issues, I worked on being the district liaison between our legal counsel and the district Section 504 coordinator regarding a situation in which the district was going to now have a service dog on campus with a student, which was the first of its kind for this district. This process actually started gradually in the fall semester of the current school year, but escalated recently in mid-February and required the district to involve legal counsel for advice on how to proceed forward and properly implement. Back sometime in the fall semester, the junior high campus and the district Section 504 coordinator received communication about a student seeking the opportunity to allow her service dog on campus as an accommodation. The original communication to the district was from an agency that trains service animals, and it indicated that the service dog was going to be utilized by the student for comfort and emotional support. The district responded by informing them that policy FBA legal does not acknowledge comfort and emotional support as work tasks. The training agency later responded with a memo stating the service dog would be used to support the disabilities of depression and anxiety. But the memo was written in such a way as if the service dog were for the mother, not the child. Once again, the district responded indicating the inconsistencies in the communication. Additionally, the agency responded with a similar letter, but this time indicated that the service dog was to support the student's disabilities. As the Section 504 coordinator investigated the student's records further, it was discovered that there was no documentation on file indicating the student suffered from depression and anxiety. This information was brought to the attention of the student's mother. A few weeks later, the mother produced documentation from a doctor indicating the disabilities. The documentation from the doctor was an initial evaluation and dismissal, all completed in 2015 at the same time. Furthermore, the documentation only indicated recommended prescribed medication, not the use of a service dog. This was also brought to the attention of the student's mother. Several weeks later, the training agency contacted the district again, indicating that we were denying the student equitable access. At this point, which was now February 2017, the superintendent gave me the authority to correspond with our legal counsel regarding the matter. This was an issue he delegated authority for me to oversee with legal counsel, since he and I are the only ones listed to correspond with legal counsel directly, and I directly oversee the Section 504 coordinator. I immediately contacted the attorney we typically deal with, and she connected me with an attorney in their office that specializes with Section 504 and special education. In addition, we submitted to them all documentation we had been keeping regarding the situation for their review. They then contacted us back and informed us that we needed to proceed forward with the request, but furthermore, they guided us on how to handle communication with the mother and training agency, as well as the initial Section 504 meeting. The Section 504 coordinator and campus administrators also had other questions revolving around the service dog, such as how to effectively deal with students who may have dog allergies, communication regarding concerns, questions from students and parents, daily routines to allow the service dog to be properly cared for, and potential district transportation for school events. The attorneys were able to provide us all with great advice on how to handle all of these situations. With situations such as this, not typical day-to-day events, as well as those that require correct interpretation of statute, it is extremely important to seek advice from legal counsel. It benefits the district by guiding them in the right direction and avoiding potential litigation. Subsequently, if the district were to face litigation in such a situation, legal counsel is already aware of what is occurring and has been providing their guidance, which is beneficial when representing the district. In this particular case, the district was able to transition into its first-time experience extremely smoothly. The service dog has been present with the student daily for 3 weeks now, with no interruptions to daily activities and instruction. I have learned the importance of involving legal counsel early on. The legal team our district works with has been extremely supportive with any issues we bring to the table, and this was quite evident with recent accountability issues and how we prevailed as a district. Thank you.